Is this on record already?
Yes, it is. It is.
Oh, hi. Now she's doing her phone and doing her toenails. I still remember when you videoed my dirty toenails.
Oh yeah, yung nahulog ka. Wait, do you still have it?
Yeah.
Send it to me, ah.
It's Miss Wine Drinker.
Okay, tell the world about your tempura poop story.
Okay. There's my tempura poop story.
No.
At first, I went to school and I said, Miss, can I go to the bathroom? Then she said, okay. And when I went there, I had no tissue. To my pool, it took me 5 minutes inside it. This is for everyone, okay? It took 5 minutes inside 1 cubicle. And I made poop like a tempura. You see my nose? Yes, I got it. You pick your nose.
Here, get it.
Get out by her feet. Can you sing? Can you sing?
No.
Just sing. This is me.
No.
Fine. I'll tell your sister. I'll tell your sister. Sing.
Why? Exactly where?
Just sing. This is me. Go.
No.
I'll tell your sister.
Why? You're 20 years old.
She don't even care. I'll tell her. She cares. I talked to her a while ago.
You weren't even in school.
Go and
Saturday.
Yes, I saw her a while ago in White Plains. Yeah. Can you go and sing? Why? Just dance or sing. Go. Tell me I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be now. Gonna let the light shine on me. Now I found who I am. There's no way to hold it in. No more hiding who I wanna be. This is me. Let's take a tour of the donut group, yes! And the McDonald's!
Oh, you sing to the song. It's a really good song. Dance. Go ready. Go. 请讲讲讲讲话。
Can I even bite her toes without feeling it?
烦恼的迟钝。
Oh, you said this no more. Look, the more. It's not bad. It's so disgusting. Rain a spit smells even badder. I hate you. That smell. Dito kayo doon sa
Okay, fine. Say Kadir's Bongurza. Wait.
You know what I pretend when I smell you sweet? This for Raina. You are such a big person, and I can't even see you.
Say Bongurza, hello.
Bongganas, hello, yes, mga bakla dyan.
Smell my armpit next.
Chef Epan, everlasting.
I don't have. She's the one with the putok and libag. And you know what? She has fungus.
No, I don't. Pangit mo?
Bongurza. Okay, that's it, guys. You can't do anything else. We're so crazy. Whatever.
Look,
Hey, you know